Katie, how can you not get more time back?
So what would I do if I had more time?
Thank you for reminding me of the question. I appreciate that.
I'd want to go, get out into the countryside a bit more, go swimming and things, which I sort of find hard to fit in at the moment.
Why do you find it hard?
Because I think I'm not very good at managing my time.
Why are you not managing your time? So she thinks that she's not good at managing her time. What do? You have a job,
I spend
business?
too long at work. Yeah, it's not my own business. I'm employed, public sector.
So can you not renegotiate your time there?
Potentially, but then they'd probably want to pay me less. But
Are you sure? Do they pay you on their time? Do you get paid? Look, here's the deal. Do you get paid on your time?
not really.
Yeah, of course. Did you say that? No, you don't.
You get paid?
No, you don't. Me and you were having this out. You don't get paid on your time. You're staying there. We don't get paid on time. Are you getting paid now? With the time's going by, how much have you earned? You see my point? You don't get paid on time. All of you that think you get paid on time, then go check your bank account right now and see, whilst you've been here, have you still been earning? And the majority of you won't be unless you have a passive income source. And so therefore, you're starting changing. So what I take you through is strategies around time, first of all, number one. Number two, change your belief around time, which is a cognitive retraining program. I'll show you some examples of that tomorrow. But number three, I would massively work on, again, renegotiating with a skill set, maybe the Impact Made Easy skill set, to actually tell your employee, like, what if I deliver, how can I deliver? Are you clear on the value that you deliver at work right now? Do you know why you're even there?
Yeah, I do.
Do you know do you know why they pay you? And I'm not being like...
Yeah, I do, but it's quite hard to quantify.
Your return on investment.
Yeah.
So they pay you X amount a year.
Yeah.
They want an ROI for your time. And so therefore, even if you just took this conversation, saying, look, I really do you love what you do?
Sometimes.
Difficult. We're lacking passion, right?
Maybe.
Maybe or yes?
Yes, at the moment.
Yes, just at the moment. Do you see how indecisive we can get? Just yes at the moment, or it's nothing wrong with... Look, raise your hand if you've lacked passion in your life. Raise your hand. Nothing wrong with that. You know, that's part of the ownership, is taking ownership of where you are right now, and to say, look, I've got to get more passion. Because if you were a super passionate employee saying, my God, I'm ready to tear it up. All right, Monday, #Money Monday, who's hitting it with me today? They're going to be like, Katie, I'm going to give you that raise if you continue to drive everyone like that. But it's like, can you get that sort of passion if you don't care about it?
It's hard to, you need to
Maybe.
care about it.
Do you? If you didn't do it, what would you do? If money wasn't a problem, what would you do?
I don't really know, to be honest.
You're in the right place. Definitely. But you'd like more time to do that kind of stuff. Like, as you said, more outdoor kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Do you live in London?
Yeah.
And you work in
the central London.
The city?
Yeah.
Tube? How's the tube working out?
I hate it.
So again, it's starting to understand the setup might not be correct for you. Therefore, it's starting to renegotiate. And I don't know your finances yet. You haven't shown me the business plan. But again, if you were to show me your finances and your business plan, we can start to renegotiate the potential offer to your employee, so that you can maybe start a little bit more of a passion side product. Turning your passion into a profit. What are you passionate about?
God. It's nothing like being put on the spot.
No, I mean, this is where the money's at. This is where the growth is at. Don't feel any pressure. Everyone is looking at you. Like, it's really non-pressured environment to consider, really, like, what am I passionate about? So honestly, take your time.
Health and well-being.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So maybe some yoga retreats for you.
Maybe.
I've got like a more spiritual connection going here. We're more left brain thinking, right? So do you like a little bit of yoga?
I do, yeah.
Lovely. Little yoga retreat. Bali.
Sounds good. Yeah.
You been?
No, I haven't.
Eat, pray,
Sounds
eat,
nice.
eat, pray, love. Eat, pray, love.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Read it?
Not read it. Watched it.
Listen out. Good book.
Yeah.
Where I run the retreat is not too far away from that. Just
Oh, right,
give you a
okay.
heads up. Just thought you should know. But like, does it make sense though? Taking time to work on your passion is a hugely valuable. Like really, honestly, you've done great here. You've done really great. I pushed you a little bit, not too much. But it's again like starting to realize, again, why can't you have a little yoga sideline business? If you're going to yoga, why not teach someone yoga? You have to start somewhere. We've got loads of people that come through the program. They set up yoga retreats. You know, we've got Hannah Ban Yoga. Where's Hannah Ban Yoga? She here? No, that's okay. She was here earlier. However, you know, again, came through, set up her own yoga practice. One-to-one yoga. Best service out there. Who doesn't want more relaxation in their life? All right, raise your hands if you partake in yoga already. You know, it's again, there's always more people. And then you imagine what your life would be like, right? Going out, running your own little yoga. Look at your face. Look at your face. You can feel that, though. Imagine if you were like really living in your passion, helping other people, connecting with yourself, doing something you love, and people were paying you for it. Yeah. And more than you currently earn, and doing less of it.
Sounds good.
Give her a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Bring in. Oh, good connection there. Thank you. Thank you very much.